I wake up early. I wake up early.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus.
I need some apples. I need some apples. I am busy today. I am busy today.
I walk my dog every day. I walk my dog every day. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep.
I am leaving now. I am leaving now.
I would like a sandwich. I would like a sandwich.
This book looks interesting. This book looks interesting.
How much is it? How much is it? I like this phone. I like this phone. What time is the train? What time is the train?
I am ready to travel.
Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready.
I need to wash my clothes.
I would like some bread.
The children are having fun. The children are having fun.
I am checking my email.
Does this shirt look good? Does this shirt look good?
Suivez-moi, frérot, et laissez un commentaire sympa.